We begin by defining a simple JavaScript object named personData, which simulates a person's record with properties for their first name, last name, and birth year. Next, we create an object called computed_full_name. This object is not a person, but a set of instructions on how to compute the full name. It contains a getter that combines the first and last name into a full name, and a setter that splits a full name into its respective parts. The main magic happens when we create the proxy named personProxy. This proxy wraps our personData object. When we try to get or set a property on the proxy, it first checks if the property is a computed one, like full name. If so, it uses the get or set from computed full name. Otherwise, it handles the property normally. When we print personProxy full name, the get trap of the proxy is invoked. The get trap checks if full name is in our computed full name object and computes the full name dynamically by concatenating John and Doe. Now, let's change the full name to Jane Smith by setting personProxy full name. The set trap is triggered, and it splits Jane Smith into Jane and Smith, updating first name and last name on the original personData object. After we update the full name, we can print personProxy first name and personProxy last name to verify the changes. As expected, first name is now Jane, and last name is Smith, confirming that our computed property logic works as intended.